My fellow South Africans, we have a problem. Sigeza too much. Yes, we bath too much. The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama. Asiqale. Omunye umuntu might be thinking ukuthi uziro useyahlanya. Understand ukuthi what actually happens when you shower or when you bath, your skin isn't just a covering. Understand ukuthi umzimba wakho has natural oils, good bacteria, fungi that helps to protect your skin, isikhumba, dead skin cells forming a protective barrier around umzimba wakho. But most importantly, moisture retaining compounds that help umzimba wakho. So when you bath, you are hurting your body. Your body contains trillions of micro bengifuna uhleke. Understand ukuthi your skin alone hosts bacteria, yeasts, fungi and viruses. Most are harmless, many are beneficial to your body. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi scientists call this ama-skin microbiome, and ama-microbiome help to fight harmful germs, regulate inflammation, protects against infection, maintain skin health. We need ama-skin microbiome. The problem here is umntomnyama sigeza too much, 7 days a week. Once a day, even some people go as far as ugeza 2 times a day. So the question you should be asking yourself right now, Mtomnyam, is what are the signs ukuthi ngigeza too much? Understand ukuthi you have dry skin. Symptoms of dry skin, you have ashy skin, tight feeling in your skin, flaking in your skin, and cracking of their skin. Hot water removes oil faster than lukewarm water. It means when ugeza kakhulu, you will start to have eczema because of excessive showering, which can increase itchiness esikhumbeni sakho, increase redness in your skin, increase inflammation on your skin. Ugeza too much. The biggest problem is insipho, soap, and understand soap is the problem. Because when you bath, you use insipho soap, you will start to have skin irritation. Understand ukuthi soap, shower gels, bubble bath, ntontoni can cause or trigger skin irritation. Now it's time to ask the real question. How long should you take when you are bathing or showering? The American Academy of Dermatology recommends that you bath roughly about 5 to 10 minutes. Nothing more than 5 to 10 minutes ugeza. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi there are signs ukuthi wena you are bathing too much. Understand ukuthi when your skin starts to itch, flake, or there is redness kwi-skin sakho, it's a sign ukuthi you are bathing too much. When you have tightness after finishing ugeza, or when you have a crack around your hands, that means you are bathing too much. Especially if you have a crack on your legs underneath your feet, it means you are bathing too much. And understand, as the black community, we have a problem. Sigeza too much. Sigeza too much.